Hey, what's up guys? I just want to do a quick little unboxing of the ROTTAY Numpad 2.4 gigahertz wireless mechanical keypad rechargeable 10 key blue switch backlit numeric keypad for laptop and PC. Now that's the description on the Amazon link, but I'm actually gonna have a link down below where you can go ahead and check it out if you want to. And yeah, there's not a lot of reviews or a lot of ratings on this. It was about $30, $29.99. So I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger just because it matched my keyboard. But let's go ahead and unbox it for you. First, it came really simple. It came in this little box. Came with the cord. I actually like the cord. Feels really nice. Kind of like braided cord. I like it a lot. You can tell this is gonna last a long time. We have a USB Type-C and then USB 3.0 or 2.0. I mean, I'm guessing it's a 2.0. 2.4 gigahertz, whatever that means, right? Now let's get to the actual numpad. Okay, well, we have a little bit of information. Read that later. Let's get to the numpad. Straight out the bat, it looks really nice. What I notice is it doesn't feel like a keyboard at all. It actually has a kind of a clicky sound. So it doesn't travel, you actually click. There's a little, it's hard to explain it, but you can kind of hear what I mean. But I actually like it a lot. Very, very clean look to it. Also has these little stands in the back. Now the stands, these little levers kind of feel a little weak, a little loose, but I mean, they should work, right? We have the little USB right here in the back. Oh yeah, so it kind of slides in, and there's a USB. There's this little plastic thing, and this would just slide in there, and then that's how you kind of put it away if you're not going to be using it. Lay it down and slide it in, and now it's good. These little rubber pads in the back. $12.89. Let's do 45. I mean, I like it. All right guys, we're back. I went ahead and connected it to my computer. Now don't mind the white cable. It actually came with the black corded one like we had talked about with this one. But since I have a MacBook Pro, I'd rather just connect USB-C to USB-C, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, rather than try to get a dongle and try to connect this. I just rather have two of these, and it works perfect, right? I'm using my Apple cord, and it's fine. I'm probably eventually gonna switch this to another cord, but this is just for charging. On the website, it does say that, what is it, a couple hours, 2-3 hours lasts 2 months of charge. So that's pretty good as well. But yeah, overall, I love the blue light. My keyboard actually has blue light, so this is gonna match my keyboard, and overall, it's really, really nice. I'm enjoying it so far. Has this little sticker right here I can take off. And then the manual, you can kind of read here all the things you can do and how to use it. Very simple paper, but you can read that yourselves. Overall, it's very nice, very well made. I really like it, and like I said, it matches my keyboard, so I'm happy with it. Now I wanted to finish the video kind of showing you how it looks with the lights turned off or dimmed down, and it's really, really nice. Everything kind of backlit, really nice. And just, I'm gonna compare it to my keyboard. As you can see, my keyboard, it's kind of a little brighter, but because I put these keycaps that shine a little more, as well as the stainless steel in the back kind of makes it brighter, and then the mouse as well. But overall, it's just a darker blue. I don't mind it. It kind of really matches, but just kind of so you can get a comparison of the actual color. It's kind of a dark blue, kind of very mild, very low key. I really like it. It has this trim of like what looks like to be stainless steel. Kind of gives it a little shine to the edges. But overall, very, very, very nice. Now I'm gonna try it out, see if it works, see how long it lasts me, but overall construction of it really nice.